11:18 right now. Let's send it over to meteorologist Jessica Van Meter. Okay, if you like today, a little bit more tomorrow, just a little bit.
You know, we really like today. That's definitely the case. And today was probably the best of the next several days for us. We do have some changes heading our way for later this week and especially into early next week. We're going to have a few weather impact alert days that we're going to kind of look ahead to here. One is going to be Friday. Wind and rain will be likely, and that could influence your plans for Friday evening. Could mean some soggy conditions. Next system is going to come in Sunday into Monday. That's initially going to bring us some rain. Some gusty winds could certainly be possible with that. It's also going to bring us some of the coldest temperatures we've had so far this season, and that could mean we get a change over to a little bit of snow or mix, particularly by late Sunday and into Monday. So chance we could see our first snowfall of the season. We'll take a look at this. This is just one model. There are more, and we're going to get more of these runs as we get closer to early next week. So still plenty of time for some changes and adjustments. This is absolutely not set in stone. But the general idea is there's that rain for Friday. It's going to come with some stronger winds at times. Saturday is definitely the better day of the weekend. We still have at least a chance for a couple of showers, but it's the better day of the weekend overall if you're trying to make some plans for the weekend. Into Sunday, this next system comes in that brings us rain, and it's also going to pull down some much colder air. There's a decent chance many of us don't make it out of the 30s on Monday, and that could potentially be cold enough that we do see some of those flakes taking over into Monday. So forecast we're going to watch very closely between now and early next week. This is not far off. It's actually right on point for our average first snow. November 10th for Hopkins, that would be on Monday. So not far off from that average, but it's still far off from the exact impacts and the exact situation that we're going to end up with Sunday into Monday. The system itself is still out in the Pacific, so we still need to wait for this to get on shore and get some more model data between now and early next week to see what exactly is going to be the case for us. Between now and then, we do have a chance for some rain tomorrow. That's going to come courtesy of this area of rain out towards the western Great Lakes. That's going to be trying to push our way with at least a chance for rain tomorrow and some stronger winds. We had some sunshine early on, some clouds filtering in through the afternoon. We'll see a little bit of cloudiness stick with us as we go through the overnight hours, but generally speaking, a quiet overnight heading our way with that National Design hour-by-hour forecast. Tomorrow, we're already going to have our winds on the increase first thing in the morning, and those winds will be a little stronger through the day tomorrow. We could have some gusts over 30, even over 40 miles per hour, especially for areas along the lakeshore. We do have a chance for a couple of showers to develop, especially through the second part of the day. Those fade out very quickly. Winds will be improving as we get into Thursday. Thursday is going to be a decent day for us, just a little on the cool side. Temperatures in the 30s to start things off. We'll get a little bit of sunshine into the mix. It should be a dry day. Temperatures will be a little bit cooler, but it's going to be a quiet day for us before we get into whatever comes our way Friday and into early next week with that Union Home Mortgage forecast. Again, rain looks likely for Friday. Saturday is the better day of that weekend, and then we're watching Sunday into Monday for that round of cold air and that possibility of some snow in the forecast.